He had a pack of his favorite things. There it is. He had. If this is your skin, the 3 layers of it, layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. I have to make it flat. It's easier for me. Then, in each one, you have a cell. Each cell has different field strength. It's not all the same. The same is here. And the same here is on the bottom layer, whatever matter you want to do it. This is your atmospheric condition, and this is the meat or the flesh of the man, which connects to muscle. You call this 1, you call this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or whatever you want to call. Number 1 uses precisely a different kind of combination of the salts to be number 1. And if number 1 gets wiped out, you burn your skin or whatever, the next skin, which comes in position of number 1, will have exactly the same strength as number 1, which was there before. No difference. That's why it can occupy the same position. Number 2 has a different salt composition. The only difference between 1 and 2 is a small exchange difference in the salt content. And this salt content is registered in the brain of the man as a field, not as matter. And the brain is very clever. If I send the information as a soul strength to here, and then the soul of the physicality sends its information at the physical soul matter inertia, and it makes this one. And even this one is kept part of his work within the memory of the soul, of the brain of the man. So if you look at it, the soul and the soul of the man and physicality, soul of physicality, share the brain in operation, memory, recording, keeping for physical condition of the man. So every cell, and there's trillions of them making your body, and they continuously change, is due to a slight change in salinity, a mixture of different salt. Because salt, it tells you, creates inertia. And salt, when you have salts, you create a condition of inertia which gives it physicality. That's all salts do. So if you call it the salt of the soul, so you have found yourself a salt, a power, magnetic gravitational field, which can allow your soul to manifest itself in a physical dimension which you think you can. Now you have given it a dimension of physicality. So there is no such a thing called salt of the soul, because soul has no dimension in physicality. And if you bring it to the dimension of physicality, you become a physical soul, which is the body of the man with a heartbeat and the rest of it. So, as I said, the time for talking magic is over. Understanding the truth is a different thing. Now we understand the science. And this is why nobody like you or anybody else in a space can come and say, I can show you the salt of your soul. Come here, I'll show you the salt of love. The salt of love is so easy to make. because it's an emotion. And if it's emotion, then we can feel it physically. Our heartbeat goes up, our eyes drops, and we want to give whatever the other side wants. So we have converted to a physical condition. It has a salt. It has given it dimension of physicality. With this knowledge, no man should allow no one to take no being to ransom for magic work. Because you have to analyze the magic. Then becomes no magic. Houdini got trapped in boxes he could never open, but he was lucky somebody from outside undid the lock.